my dear students. My name is Awaista Anwar, and today we will be doing the activity number 1 of Unit 14, Back to School Kid Poem. So let's start. This is a timetable of class 5 and we will be given some questions. We will be answering the questions with the help of this timetable. So let's start. Question number 1. What do we study in the first period? Here in the timetable it says that we study Islamiyat in the first period. In which period do we study science? Here in the timetable it says that we study science in the third period of the day. What do you study in the last period? We study computer in the last period of the day. What do you study in the fifth period? We study Urdu in the fifth period of the day. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Bye.